Hello everyone, and welcome to this guitar tutorial for the song You Belong With Me by Taylor Swift. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be using a capo on the 4th fret, which means that this is going to be our 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and so on and so forth. And aside from that, I'm going to be playing this to you guys as close as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing this to you as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow, and as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar. And with that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. So first up is going to be the D major chord. It's going to be like this. It's going to be dead string, open, 2, 3, 2. Next up is going to be the A major chord. That's going to be dead string, open, 2, 2, 2, open. Next up is going to be the E minor chord. It's going to be like this. That is going to be open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And lastly, it's going to be the G major chord. That's going to be 3, 2, open, open, 3, then 3. Okay, so for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this. So if you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums and using this part of your thumb for the up strums. Yep, so once again, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But if you prefer using a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that, because you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the down strums. It's going to be much more straightforward than that, as you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. So once again, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And with that said, the guitar strumming pattern will be for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. And we could be breaking it down into 2 halves as well. So the first 2 counts is going to be this part right here. It's going to be the down, down, up, down, up. And for the last 2 counts, it's going to be this half right here. It's going to be up, down, up, down, up. So there will be some sections in this song. We're only going to be using the first half of this 4 whole count strumming pattern, which is why it's kind of noteworthy here in this video. But yeah, it's going to be like this. Down, down, up, down, up. Then the second half is up, down, up, down, up. And together, there. Okay, so when it comes to the intro section of this song, there's going to be 2 parts, mainly going to be the rhythm guitar as well as the lead guitar for this section of the song. So for the rhythm section of this song, it's just going to be this chord progression right here. It's going to be the D major chord for 8 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our strumming pattern twice. So here it goes. One more. Yep, just like that. So you're going to be playing that chord progression for the rhythm guitar as the riff is going when it comes to this section of the song. So it's like yeah, something like that. So when it comes to the riff that's going to be played by the lead guitarist in this section of the song, I decided to break it down into 2 parts. So the first half is going to be this one right here. Yep, so allow me to demonstrate. It's going to be like this. And with a pick. Yep, so allow me to break it down for you. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be placing this index finger right here on the 2nd fret on the D string. It's going to be this one right here. So the first thing that we're going to do is going to be pressing on this 2nd fret on the D string right here with our index finger. We're going to be doing hammer-ons with the 4th fret on the D string as well, using our ring finger. So it's going to be like this. Yep. Yep. Then hammer-on the 4th fret on the D string. And if you do it fast enough, it's going to be like this. And when it comes to the next part, we're going to be using our index finger once again, but instead of moving this index finger to press this string right here, what I want you guys to do is do like a mini bar using your index finger, putting both tension or pressure on the D string as well as the G string so that they both create sounds right here. Yep. Utilizing our fingers more when it comes to doing this riff part as well for the section of the song. It's going to be 2, 4, then 2, 2. For the G string, it's going to be, once again, 4th fret D string, then 2, 2 on the G string, then 4, then we're going to be moving on to the 5th fret on the D string, then waiting it out for a bit, like 1 count for example. Then it's going to be 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 2, using our index finger, then an open string. A bit slower, it's going to be like this. Just like that. And as for the next half of this riff, it's going to be this one right here. Yep, so after the whole, we're starting it there. So next part is we're going to be doing the 4th fret on the D string. Yep, it's going to be 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 2, open. Yep, so the only difference between this half and that earlier half is we're not going to be doing the 2 hammer-on 4 in the beginning. Yep, so once again, it's going to be 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 2, open. Yep, so for the first half, it's going to be second half. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, and when it comes to the interlude section of this song, there's going to be 2 parts again. It's going to be the rhythm as well as the lead guitar section of the song. So for the rhythm part, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. And it's just going to be the D major chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. Yep, simple, just like that. Then as for the lead guitarist part, it's going to be this riff right here. So similar to the intro riff earlier, but this time we're just only going to be doing the first half. So once again, it's going to be like this. Yep, just that part right there. Once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the verse sections of this song, as well as the chorus sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So once again, it's going to be the D major chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. Then A, then E minor, then G major. Hitting that one more time. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset, she's calling up about something that you said. She doesn't get your view like I do. I'm in the room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like. She'll never know your story like I do. Okay, so when it comes to the pre-chorus sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So note earlier when I said that for the strumming pattern that we're going to be playing for once with 2 counts only, we're only going to be using the first half of that strumming pattern. It's going to be this one right here. Yep, for the E minor chord, same for the G major chord as well. Same with the D major chord. A major chord for 4 counts. Yep, all in all we've got this. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. She wore short skirts, sour t-shirts, she's cheer captain. I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when we wake up and find what you're looking for. I still hear the whole time. Okay, so for the first chorus as well as the second instrumental section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So similar to the first verse, second verse, as well as the second chorus section of this song, it's going to be like that. But instead of just repeating it twice, we're only going to be doing it just once now this time. So once again, D major chord for 4 counts, A major chord, E minor chord, then the G major chord. Just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you when you're all along, so why can't you see you belong with me? Okay, so when it comes to the bridge section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So once again, E minor chord for 2 counts, then G, then D, then A, then E minor, then G, then D, then A for 4 counts. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Oh, I remember you driving through the house in the middle of the night. The one who makes you laugh when you know you're about to cry. I know your favorite songs and you tell me about your dreams. Think I know where you belong and I know it's with me. Okay, so lastly for the third chorus section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So once again, D major chord for 4 counts, A major, E minor, G major, 2 more, the D major chord at the end. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this song from start to finish. Once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Can't you see that I'm the one who understands you when you're all along, so why can't you see you belong with me? Standing by and waiting at your back door all this time, how could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And we'll also be able to show support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.